Egg recipes for kids. Check out these 4 recipes. 1. Sheet pan eggs. Ingredients: cooking spray, 18 eggs, 1/3 cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, half a cup sliced mushrooms, 1/4 cup sliced red peppers, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, sliced bread for serving, mashed avocado for serving, chopped parsley for serving. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 12 by 17 inch rimmed sheet pan with cooking spray. Line with parchment paper and spray again. In a blender, blend the eggs with the milk. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the egg mixture evenly on the sheet pan and top with the mushrooms, peppers, and shredded cheese. Bake the eggs for about 15 to 18 minutes until they are set. Allow the eggs to cool for a few minutes, then cut the eggs into 12 equal pieces. Serve on a toast with mashed avocado and fresh parsley if desired. 2. Vegan cream eggs. Ingredients: 1½ cups or 250 grams chocolate chips, 1½ cups or 150 grams natural powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons brown rice syrup. See recipe notes for subs. 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil. Use refined coconut oil if you don't want a slight hint of coconut. 20 milliliters or 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon non-dairy milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric. Instructions: start by gently melting the chocolate. The easiest way to do this is to simply place a bowl over a pan of simmering water. Be sure that the bowl doesn't touch the water. You can use a microwave, but it's so easy to spoil the chocolate this way that I tend not to. Plus, I think it becomes smoother and glossier when melted over a pan of water. Spoon some chocolate into each mold and spread it around and up the sides with the back of a teaspoon. Make sure it's not too thin, as the eggshells need to be pretty sturdy. Leave the remaining chocolate in its bowl, sat on top of the simmering water to keep it melted. Once all the molds are filled, place on a baking sheet covered in parchment paper, then put in the freezer to set. In a small bowl, combine all of the other ingredients except the turmeric. Stir until completely smooth. Spoon out about 1/3 into another small bowl and stir the turmeric into it. By now the chocolate should be set. Remove from the freezer. Add a small amount of the white fondant to each chocolate shell, around 1 teaspoon or just enough to fill each one about 1/3 of the way. Add a small dollop of yellow fondant to each one. Try to get it as close to the middle as you can. Cover each yellow dollop with more white fondant, leaving just enough room to cover the top with another layer of chocolate. Once they are all almost full, place in the freezer for around 10 minutes just to firm up the filling a little. Then remove and cover each one with a layer of chocolate. Pop back in the freezer to allow them to set. Once completely set, pop out from the silicone mold. 3. Frittata muffin recipe. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 6 large egg whites or use 3 whole eggs, 1 cup bell peppers chopped, half a cup onion chopped, 1 cup spinach chopped, 1 cup cooked crumbled breakfast sausage, bacon or diced ham, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, half a teaspoon ground black pepper. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a non-stick or silicone muffin tin with non-stick cooking spray. Whisk together the eggs and egg whites in a large bowl. Add in chopped bell peppers, onions, spinach, cooked breakfast sausage, and salt and pepper. Stir to combine. Pour the egg mixture into each muffin tin cup, leaving about 1/4 inch from the top. Cook for 23 to 30 minutes or until the egg has puffed and comes out clean with a toothpick. Run a knife around the edges to pop the egg frittatas out. Enjoy while hot. 4. Egg muffins with sausage, spinach, and cheese. Ingredients: 3 lean breakfast turkey sausage links, 5 egg whites, 2 whole eggs, 1/4 cup skim milk, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup fresh chopped spinach, 1/4 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium skillet, brown the turkey sausage links on medium-high heat. Cook until sausage is brown all the way through. Cut sausage into half-inch pieces, set aside. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together egg whites and eggs. Whisk in skim milk and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the chopped spinach. Grease 6 muffin tin cups with cooking spray or line cups with paper liners. Pour egg mixture evenly into the muffin cups. Distribute cheese and sausage equally between each muffin cup. Bake egg muffins for 20 minutes or until the muffins are firm in the center. Remove from oven and gently go around each egg with a butter knife. Serve warm. Note: you can store the egg muffins in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and reheat them in the microwave.